This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Chris Hughes. One of the Great Lake communities on Watts Bar Lake. Enjoy beautiful views of the lake. This gated community has a pool, clubhouse, boat ramp, and tennis court. Do not miss out on the opportunity to build in this growing community. Covered boat slip that is close to the property could be included with the right offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Chris Hughes at 865-966-1111.